Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners who watch my video. My name is Aisha Naveed. I am from Department of BS Mathematics. The topic of my presentation is Langya Virus. I have been able to present this topic with the guidance of my teacher, Dr. Hammad Majeed. Now I would like to tell you contents of my presentation. Introduction. What causes Langya virus? Researchers reviews symptoms of Langya virus. How deadly is Langya virus? Transmission of Langya virus. Can the Langya virus cause complications? Diagnosed and treatment. Precautions, conclusion, differences. First of all, I will tell you what is Langya virus. Introduction. Basically, Langya virus is a newly animal virus through which peoples in East China has been affected. It is the zoonotic disease which is reported in August 2022 in China. This virus is also known as Levy or a new Henipavirus. From 2018 to 2022, 35 people of Shandong and Henan from the province of East China has been affected. From the swab sample of patients that this virus was diagnosed. What causes Langya virus? Expert studies Langya virus in different groups of animals like goats, dogs, pigs, and cattle. They found some of their antibodies in goats and dogs, but a huge number of RNA of this virus is found in shrews. Basically, shrew, a small mammal animal resembling like a mouse. The researchers believe that human infected from these animals or the animals that is infected through shrews. So Langya Henipavirus can transmit from animal to humans. Researchers' reviews. According to researchers' reviews, this virus cannot transfer from human to human. In 2018, when 35 people infected from Langya virus, only 3 patients are hospitalized in East China. After tenure from 2018 to 2021, this virus does not being spread more. Mostly former was infected in this era. Structure of Langya Henipavirus. Langya Henipavirus are composed of a lipid membrane, a matrix protein shell, and a single strand of genomic RNA with various proteins. As in this structure, G protein attaches the virus to host cells, while the F protein fuses the viral membrane with the host cell, releasing virine content and forming multinucleated cilia. Symptoms of Langya virus: fever, fatigue, cough, loss of appetite, muscle pain, nausea, headache, and vomiting. Antiviral medication. Langya virus do not have any approved treatments. Only a few antiviral treatments have tried by experts in animal experiments, but ribavirin might be an effective remedy. This drug is frequently prescribed by doctors for viral infections for which there is currently no cure. For RNA viruses and those that cause respiratory problems, ribavirin is helpful. Ribavirin is effective against the Hendra and Nipah viruses. According to studies, these two might also treated with chloroquine, a medication for malaria. Therefore, if necessary, these two treatments may also aid in controlling the Langya virus. How deadly is Langya virus? The recently dedicated Langya virus cases are causing mild flu-like symptoms and do not pose a life-threatening situation. In future, this virus may prove deadly as there is no vaccines are available to fight with it. How is Langya virus transmitted? As Langya virus is zoonotic in nature, passed from animal to human, not from person to person, mostly people who attack through this virus are more likely to be in contact with wild animals such as farming. This suggests that contact with animals carrying the virus may lead to transmission. Can the Langya virus cause complications? Some of the complications that have been reported with Langya virus include pneumonia, impaired liver function, reduced kidney function. There's currently no data on the severity of these complications and whether they have led to hospitalization. So far, no deaths have been reported due to Langya virus. How is Langya virus diagnosed and treated? Langya virus is diagnosed from swab samples of the people. There is no specific treatment for this virus, so generally supportive treatment is available, which involves getting rest, staying hydrated, using medications to reduce symptoms like fever and aches and pains, take antiviral drugs like ribavirin. How can protect yourself from this virus? Dengue virus does not appear to cause serious disease. Also, very few cases of Langya virus have been reported, and currently there are localized to specific regions of China. However, you can protect yourself from other zoonotic infections by doing a few simple things like washing your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after being around animals, avoiding unnecessary contact or interaction with wild animals, taking steps to prevent bites from mosquitoes and ticks, which may spread some zoonotic infections. There is a question that Langya virus already reached other countries? No, there is no evidence proving that this virus has been out of China yet. At the last, I conclude my topic that Langya virus is currently limited to China and has mild to moderate symptoms, but its severity may be underestimated due to sample size. The possibilities of human to human transmission exist in future, so preventive measures should be taken to avoid infection. In the last, here is some references. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe this channel and like my video.